Ang Human Rights Watch sa Estados Unidos mibutyag nga base sa ilang dokumentasyon adunay death squad sa Tagum City nga nagpaluyo sa pagpatay sa 298 ka mga gituoang mga kriminal. Daw ang death squad gimugna mismo sa kanhi mayor sa syudad gikan Enero tuig 2007 hangtod Marso tuig 2013. Gibase kini sa mga statements sa mga kanhi hitmen, witnesses, parente sa mga biktima ug mga kapulisan sa Tagum City. Matod sa grupo, napakya si President Benigno Aquino III sa pagsilot sa mga tao nga nagpaluyo sa extrajudicial killings.
Now, your question about why these killings don't get the prominence that they deserve, I have two answers for that. The fact is that high-profile politicians who are famous for their so-called tough anti-crime stances are not confronted by the government. They are not criticized by the government. They are accommodated by the government, and they are able to make fairly outrageous statements that suggest they are supporting and advocating extrajudicial killings of criminals. And the fact is that the government doesn't see this apparently as a problem that goes unchallenged. With regards to Tagum City specifically, one of the legacies, one of the very malign impacts of this Tagum death squad in Tagum City during the period of Mayor Ui's mayorship is that it essentially resulted in a fear-enforced silence on behalf of many of the citizens. Journalists absolutely did not touch these stories. People were aware or understood that challenging or exposing these types of crimes were potentially hazardous. And that is not an overreaction, because the fact is that we know, and we've documented in the report, that witnesses who did come forward to the police were, in several cases, victims of intimidation and harassment. We know that in numerous cases, police who were working complicitly with the Tagum death squad would arrive at the scene of a shooting and look for potential witnesses, and they would seek to reveal those witnesses to the Tagum death squad to silence them. And we have evidence that that was something that did indeed occur. Does that answer your question? You can have a follow-up.
Somewhat.
Apan matod ni kanhi Mayor Ray Uy, walay kamatuoran ang maong investigasyon tungod kay daw ang records gikan sa mga testimonya nga binayran sa mga drug dealers o illegal gamblers. Si Presidential Spokesman Erminio Coloma Jr. niingon nga si President Benigno Aquino III ni pamatuod sa pasalig sa gobyerno nga mahatagan og hustisya ang mga biktima sa pagpamatay. Nimando ang presidente nga ipasakag balik ang mga na-dismiss nga mga kaso.